Fast forward 25 years later, late 2017, propelled by one particular scientist, an ecologist from the Oregon State University, Bill Ripple, realized that when you remove the keystone predator from an environment, from an ecology, that the whole ecology starts to fall apart. He discovered that removing wolves from an ecosystem, the trees started to die. With that concern, he assembled a small group of scientists to write a peer-reviewed article this time, The World Scientists Warning to Humanity, Second Notice. Very powerful. I think they should have called it Final Notice, but this leaves room for yet another warning, because humanity has to be shaken many times before we wake up. At publication, it had been signed by over 15,000 scientists from around the world. Another 8,000 have signed since then. When I came across it, I spoke with Bill Ripple and I said, you left out one very important group, stakeholder group. He said, oh, what was that? I said, the public. You have no way for the public to get involved. So we got agreement from the Alliance of World Scientists, the group that formed out of this warning, that I would put together a public interface. And that was called simply scientistswarning.org. Now, the warning talks about ecological stressors. There are many. I'll just mention a few of them today. They overlap. Each one of them would be sufficient to get very scared of. Biodiversity loss, food systems, what we eat, how we grow it, how we ship it, the entire system, I'm told, contributes about 1/3 of all greenhouse gas emissions. How much of it we waste. Freshwater scarcity, growing more and more pronounced in various nations around the earth. Marine life depletion, related to ocean pollution, but not the same. There are many causes for both. Again, overlapping, but not equivalent. Our destruction of the forests. I don't call it air pollution, I call it air toxification, because air pollution, we know what air pollution is. We've been breathing polluted air for decades. It's like we're still alive. We are toxifying the air. Low birth weight babies are born in cities that have toxic air. We've degraded soils around the planet. We continue to lose soils and degrade them because of our farming methods, which are based on chemical agriculture rather than natural ecology, ecological agriculture. Population, of course, the elephant in the room, the sacred cow, and climate change. The most serious of all of these stressors because it's coming at us the most quickly. The bottom line is that we all must become active immediately to avert a catastrophe at our doorstep. For our children, ourselves, and for all of life on Earth. Please, individually, you can join scientistswarning.org, scientistswarning.org/join, and you can join as an individual, and I'm hoping that maybe we can get some movement in the EU to actually endorse the scientists' warning. Thank you very much.